Hi guys, you may know I got a Samsung Galaxy A51 5G mobile phone that I'm very pleased with. I use it for the majority of my YouTube videos nowadays, but it does have a recurring fault. I keep getting a no SIM card error message come up and it won't connect to the mobile network. Now, I've researched this and most of the replies seem to assume that you've got a problem with your SIM card. And yes, if I unplug my SIM card and put it back in again, it all works again. I've taken it out, I've cleaned it, I've put it back in again, and it works, and it'll work for days. And then just when you don't expect it, this error message comes up again. Now, I have found if, rather than take the SIM card out, I just restart the phone, and that clears the problem. And that seems to point to me that it's not a hardware problem at all. It's not the SIM card not sitting in the slot properly, because why would just switching the phone off and on again restart it when that's just taking the power off? Why would that fix something like a loose SIM card? So I think it's a software problem. I'm just wondering if anybody else has had the same experience. I spoke to my daughter about it and she does get the same problem. So she switches hers off and on again to get it going. I did see on one of the sites they suggested put it into airplane mode and take it back out again. That didn't seem to work for me, but certainly restarting the phone does it. So if you get this problem yourself, leave us a message in the comments so we can see how many people get this problem, or if you've got a simple fix for it. Say, I got a feeling that it's a software problem and it's something they've got in there that's corrupted in some way or other, and it's having trouble reading the SIM card. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.